In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to diagnose, remove, and replace a faulty windshield wiper motor. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure to remove our wiper arms and intake grating. What we're going to do is take a flat blade screwdriver and remove the rubber stoppers on both wiper arms. Just like so, in order to gain access to the mounting nuts. Once you have the nuts exposed, you can take normally a 13 millimeter socket and remove them, just like so. They're your typical lefty-loosey kind of socket, or kind of nut. Take them off just like so, and remove the second one. Right. Once you have the nuts off, you're going to have to take and wiggle them to break the splines loose from the wiper pivot to the wiper arm itself, just like so. You can see the splined portion here, how it's a taper, and what you have is again the reverse taper inside here. That's why they stick together on you. Go ahead and take the other one off. Just like so. And again, they have the similar taper. And again, you can see they have the similar style taper. This is convex and this is concave, and as the nut tightens down on top of it, it drives these teeth on the convex side into the aluminum of the concave side. That is the proper way to remove your wiper arms. What I'm going to do from there is go ahead and remove the intake grating. This is the small screen and filter that they use to keep debris, leaves, dirt, dust, snow, things of that nature, out of the HVAC intake. I'm going to use a pick and pop out the plastic cover pins, just like so. You're going to repeat this procedure for any cover pins that you find on there. Just like that. Once you have the cover pins removed, you take a Phillips or flat blade screwdriver and begin removing the grating itself. Alright, and our last one here. Pull that guy out. Set my screwdriver down and remove the intake grating. As you can see, this is the intake portion of your HVAC, which stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. I'll set this aside for later installation. That's the proper way to remove that grating and your wiper arms.